Welcome back, guys, to another short online tutorial with myself, Jack. I'm one of the tutors at Blue Sky Graphics, and of course, it's my absolute pleasure to welcome you here today. The reason why we are here today, guys, is to discuss the difference between pixel art and vector art. It's a very common question that I come across a lot. So what I'd like to do today is to make this a lot clearer for my designers. Okay, so what we have here is a pixelated artwork. All right, I've deliberately pixelated it a lot just to show you what I mean. Okay, now pixel art is made up of little pixels. Basically, what they are, they're little squares that are filled with colors of paint to create your image. And now what I'm going to do is show you the exact same image, but in a vector format. And here we are. Okay. Now, the difference between vector and pixel artwork is that vector is run off of mathematical formulas. Okay. And paths. Okay. So if I was to zoom in now, and I'm going to use the selection tool, select this element here. Okay. And all these little blue squares are called anchor points, right? That I would be able to manipulate through the handles. So let's say, for example, I get that anchor there, for instance. There's the handles that are coming off that I can manipulate the shape depending on what I would like to do. So basically, any element within inside your artwork can be resized, scaled, smaller, bigger. It'll never have any sort of restrictions on what you can create. And yet again, it never loses any quality. Okay. So one of the benefits of using vector artwork is it never gets pixelated because you're using that mathematical formula. Okay. So that can mean you stretch it out massive, shrink it super, super small, and it will never lose any quality in any way, shape, or form. Guys, thank you very much. Hopefully that makes it a little bit clearer for you. If you're interested in finding out any more about our courses, the school, anything like that, please visit our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, you can see some of our work by our amazing students at our Instagram at Blue Sky Graphics UK. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.